How to unpin your page on Facebook app, easy and quick. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unpin pages on Facebook app. First thing, go to your Facebook. Here, click on those three lines up there. Click on your page. If you didn't find it beside your profile, just click on pages and click on the page you want to unpin, and click now on the setting icon beside the search icon and click on general. In the first option you're gonna find pin page. To pin your page, to make it appear immediately your profile picture, and click, you have unpin how to media, which is my page. Click on it. Now like you see, I have unpaid my page, and this is it. Now this page is not gonna appear underneath on my profile. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.